Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I am packing in my little travel makeup bag because I am going away for the 4th of July and I'm going to bring some makeup with me just in case I wear it. I probably won't, but I like to pack it just in case. I'm not wearing makeup because I didn't feel the need to, and I'm sweating buckets as usual because the AC in my house doesn't work, so it's really hot and I'm sweating, and I'm just like, you know what, there's no sense in putting makeup on to sweat it off and take it off right after the video. So, and I didn't feel like having makeup on, so whatever, you know, I'm just gonna do the all natural, whatever. So anywho, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to pack with me, and if you guys want to see what's in my travel makeup bag and what I'm going to be packing in my travel makeup bag, then just keep on watching. Okay, so if you hear any talking in the background, it's because my sister's playing a YouTube video, so try to ignore it if you hear it at any points. So yeah. Oh, I forgot my makeup bag. What's the point in that? BRB. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this makeup bag that I actually got from my friend for my graduation. I'm gonna be using it today. It's so freaking cute. Hold on. Look at it. And that's so cute. It comes with like little thingies. I won't need those, but it's so spacious. And that's so cute. So yeah, I'm going to be using that. So the first thing I'm going to pack with me is, let's go like down to order, like what I start with. I'm going to be taking, I usually prime my skin first, and I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I'm going to be bringing that. And then my two actual primers, I have the Too Faced Hangover Rx. I'm gonna bring this because this is my go-to. It doesn't help my makeup last longer, but it does make a smooth canvas. It's supposed to be, we're supposed to get a heat wave, so it's gonna be like almost 100 degrees out. So I probably won't end up using this, but I'm gonna bring it just in case. And I'm also gonna bring my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. This is a really good primer for your makeup lasting all day. The next thing I'm going to be bringing is foundation. I'm just going to bring this one because we're only going for a few days, and this is the one I only use in the summer because I haven't found anything else. But this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup in 2-in-1. And I actually believe this is too light for me, or like just right, but we'll make it work. But so yeah, this is the only one I'm going to bring because I know I love it and I know it's going to last. All my other ones, they last, but not as well as the Double Wear, so I'm just going to bring that with me because it's going to be hot. The next thing I would usually do is put on some powder. And for my powder, I'm just going to bring my Rimmel Stay Matte, nothing too exciting. Bronzer, I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my favorite bronzer. One, it smells good, and two, it's like the perfect shade. So I'm definitely going to bring that. This is in light. For blush, I'm just going to be bringing my little Tarte Party blush that you got. If you are Beauty Insider at Sephora, you get like a free gift for your birthday, and this was one of them. And I love this blush, and it's literally lasted me forever. Like, I got this last year, last April, and it's currently June. So yeah, I've had this for a year, and it literally still has a ton of product in there. Now for the eyes, actually no, don't forget highlighter. For highlighter, I'm just going to bring a cheap basic highlighter. It's one of my favorites from the drugstore, and the only reason why I'm bringing it is because I don't want to ruin my other ones. But this is my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearl. Love this highlighter, can't go wrong with it. One of my favorite go-tos that I like to take when I travel. Okay, so now for the eyes. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking the MAC Paint Pot. Yeah. Go-to primer, love it. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be bringing the Too Faced Totally Cute eyeshadow palette. It's the one you get to like put stickers on yourself, and it's so cute. I'm bringing this because it has your mixture of crazy colors and also your neutrals, so I'm just going to bring that just in case I want to do a little crazy something. And then I'm just going to bring another neutral palette, and this is the Wet n Wild Bare Necessities eyeshadow palette. Just, you know, just so I have a variety. Let's see, for eyeliner, I'm going to be taking my 2 L'Oreal liners, just in case. I have the Super Slim 12-hour liner, and then I have the liquid voluminous liner Noir. Black is Black. They're both felt tips, but I'm gonna bring both just in case one like breaks or whatever, just in case, or one runs out, I guess I could say. Let's see, for mascara, I'm going to be bringing the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the L'Oreal Voluminous Carmine Black in waterproof. So I got a regular and a waterproof mascara. For eyebrows, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in ash brown. It just looks like this. It looks kind of like the Anastasia eyebrow pencil, so I'm going to bring that. And then for eyebrows, like pomade, in case I want to use a pomade instead of a pencil, I'm going to be bringing the Lock-In Liner and Brow Cream from e.l.f. And this is a medium brown. Alright. I'm also, for my brows, going to bring this little brow gel from L'Oreal. Nothing too crazy. And then for lips, I'm bringing things that are going to be long-lasting so I don't have to worry about them throughout the day. One of my favorites is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Love these. I have to go get the rest of them. I love them so much. They last throughout the day. I do not have to touch them up. You can literally eat greasy foods with this, and it's fine. And what was the other thing I was going to say? It's not super drying either, so I love this. This is in the shade Dreamer, and I love it so much. I actually wore this for graduation and awards night, and graduation I went and got Chinese food, which you know is pretty greasy, you know, whatever, and it did not come off, like, at all, so, you know, what can I say? And then I'm also going to be bringing the Revlon Matte Balm in the shade Unapologetic. This is just, like, I think it's a stain. I don't know, but it's a stained matte color and it's bright, so I wanted to bring one kind of neutral and one bright color. Okay, and then to set everything in place, I'm going to be bringing the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, just to lock it all in so it ain't going nowhere. So that is it for the makeup, and now for the brushes. So for my brushes, I actually like to keep it in this little bag that I can just flip open, kind of dig through and grab whichever brush I need. This is actually still packed from the last vacation I went to, but I've just been kind of using the brushes and just throwing it back in here. So yeah, I'll just show you guys everything that's in there, and I'm also going to grab some other brushes too that I accidentally put back. So let me go grab those. And as I am putting these brushes in the bag, I'm going to be wiping them off on a rag with some spray. So don't worry, I'm not packing like really dirty brushes. So the first two things I'm going to bring are my Real Techniques sponges. These are my go-tos. This one's my go-to, but I'm going to bring this one just in case anything goes wrong, because you never know. So I'm going to bring these both. So yeah, and they're kind of dirty, but I'll wash them. And then I'm going to bring my I'm going to bring my eyelash curler. And then I'm going to bring my Real Techniques powder brush. I have my IT Cosmetics wand ball powder brush, and I like to use this for bronzer. And then I'm just going to bring this little mini Real Techniques brush that I got for Christmas because it's just so cute. I don't even know if I'll ever use it, but I was like, I'll bring it. It's a travel size. It's so cute. For my blush brush, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild one. Looks like that. It's kind of dirty. I need to clean it. But I'm just kind of running through all the brushes I'm bringing. I'm also going to take my e.l.f. highlighting brush. Looks like that. I'm also going to be taking my... This is from Primark. It's the 141 brush, and I love using it to highlight. It really reminds me of the Anastasia highlighting brush, so I'm going to bring that. And then I'm going to bring my BH Cosmetics 101 brush. You guys see this all the time. It's one of my favorites. I don't need that brush. I'm just going to bring a pair of tweezers just in case I got a little eyebrow hair that needs to come out. You never know. And then, oh, my hair. And then I'm going to bring my Bnd Makeup Brush. I actually got this in Portugal as well as that fan brush that I showed. And I actually really like it. So I'm going to bring this with me. I just got to clean it. Let's see here. I'm going to bring this Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Strobe and Blend Brush, just in case, you never know, it's the dual-ended one. I'm gonna bring this little paintbrush that I actually bought at Michael's, but I love using it for carving out my brows, so I'm gonna bring that just in case. Wait, did I pack a concealer? Oh my god, I forgot my concealer. What the hell? I'm gonna bring my Bare Minerals Born This Way concealer. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I was like, I definitely have a concealer. What am I bringing? But yeah, this is in the shade Light. It's a little mini size, and I love it. I'm getting the full size soon, so. I can't believe I almost forgot concealer. I'm gonna be bringing 2 e.l.f. Whoa, look at the size difference, huh? This is the same brush, right? Oh, one's older and one's newer. You can tell which one's the older one, the shorter one. But I'm just gonna be taking these shadow brushes from e.l.f. Let's see here. I'm gonna be taking my Bare Minerals full tapered shadow brush just to pack on some color. I'm also gonna be bringing my Real Techniques Dew Ended brush. It went along with this one. It's the Set and Spotlight brush. I have 2, actually no, one's a crown brush. This is the Crown C511. And then I'm gonna be bringing, Jesus, the Primark 220 brush. I'm going to be bringing an extra e.l.f. professional eyeliner brush just in case, which I like to use to carve out my brows. And then I'm bringing an actual eyeliner brush that I probably won't use, but just in case, you never know. This is the BH Cosmetics 107 brush, so that's what that looks like. I'm also going to be bringing my little face shaver just in case. And let's see what else I have here. I believe there was another, oh yes. The other eye brushes I'm going to be bringing are the Crown C441 Pro Blending Crease, the Primark 230, and the Soho London little crease brush. And I believe that is it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That was quick. Okay. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I just wanted to get a quick video filmed for you guys. I believe I'm going to be filming another one while I'm here. And so yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys pack for your trips too, because I know it's summertime, everyone's going on vacation. So I hope it helped you guys out. I need to start talking a little slower because clearly I get my words all mixed up. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.